If any of you want to share your interview experience through our YouTube channel, you are always welcome. Please do share your contact information and what are the companies that you got placed in to our email ID techmyhire@gmail.com, and we will contact you and we can make a video.
Hello everyone, this is Ramana from YouTube channel Tech My Hire. So from our YouTube channel, we are giving a lot of placement information and interview experience of several candidates to you guys. So before moving to the video and to get the interview experience from Koteshwar Rao, so please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications about our new videos. So here we have Koteshwar Rao, who got placed in several MNC companies. But in this video, he is going to share his interview experience at Exaware. So let's dive into the video and let's get the details about the interview process that he faced. Hi Koteshwar Rao, how are you?
Hi Ramana, I am doing great. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. And so can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Sure. Hi all of you. And my name is Koteshwar Rao. I completed my BTech in Ishwar College of Engineering. And I got placed in 11 MNC companies. And I also got the exam in these 11 MNC company. One of the companies is Exaware.
Okay, so what is your branch, Koteshwar Rao?
My branch is a CSC.
Okay, so you are pursuing third year or fourth year at present?
My final year is completed and I am working in another company also.
Oh yeah, okay, that's great. And so how you got this interview opportunity from Exaware? So what is the process?
First of all, my college is given the CodeCubes opportunity, and in this they're having given the 3 chances. And after giving the exam, within a 48 hours, we get the one scorecard. Based on this scorecard and our results, we have to apply multiple companies based on the eligibility. And for that, I also got in this way I got the Exaware opportunity.
If you are finding it difficult with your current job role or with your current company, then I suggest you to go for a switch. Yes, because what do you do when you don't like a movie or a song or a stand-up comedy? You grab the remote and change it, right? So why don't you do the same with your current company? Yeah. So grab this chance with Relevel by Academy and take the hiring ball into your court. Yes. Because Relevel by Academy provides you the job opportunities in topmost companies of India like Razorpay, 1MG, Upgrade, Cred, Elo.ai, Koo, Meesho, and many other companies. And many of these companies are product based and topmost startups of India, and these might be some dream companies for you. So being an experienced person, you always look for higher packages. And do you know what? These companies provides packages as high as 15 LPA, and all these benefits are just free of cost. Yes. Relevel by Academy provides you these many opportunities just free of cost, and all you need to do is register yourself with Relevel and take up the Relevel test. And when you clear that test with more than 70%, then you will be called for the interviews, and you able to clear that, you will be given a job in those companies. Yes. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself with Relevel by Academy and take the test and get a chance to work for those companies. And this is a limited time period offer, guys. Go and check out the description for the link, and through that you can navigate to the Relevel website and register yourself. I hope this video helps you a lot, and if you find it helpful, share it to your friends as well.
So coming to the interview process, Koteshwar, how many interview rounds are there in Exaware interview process?
In the off-campus, having the 7 rounds, but in the CodeCubes only having the 3 rounds. First, they're inviting first after application, they're inviting the communication test on the Metal platform. After qualifying the communication round, we will get the invitation to the technical round.
Yeah, okay. Then so next round will be the TR round, right?
Yes, technical round. In the technical round, having the 2 profiles based on the communication test score and the CodeCubes test score and all academic scores. They will be given the chance to postgraduate engineer training, which is offering by the 5 LPO, and graduate engineer training is 3.5 LPA. For the postgraduate engineer training, having the 2 interviews. One is a TR2 and manager round followed by the HR. But graduate engineer training having the only 3 rounds like communication and TR and HR. For the TR, they're mostly asking about from our resume only. First of all, got my invitation mail from the Exaware one HR. After that, there in the panel having the 2 members. One is HR and another is a technical manager. First they will introduce themselves, and then I will say about myself, and they're asking about the project, what we work on, and I related the questions on the project, somewhat deep questions like project difficulties, and how many members are participated in our project, and what are the challenges that we are facing, how to overcome those challenges, and all this stuff. After that, they're checking the our programming language skills and front and back end skills. I mentioned in the resume having the front end having HTML, CS, and then back end having SQL, and program language C, C++, Java. They're asking about the some small questions in the C, like double pointers and 2D array. And C++ having the asking the difference between the method overloading and overriding. And also in the Java, they're asking multi-threading concept, like what is a synchronous keyword, what is a purpose, and also they're asking how to utilize this lockdown time, and that stuff. I answered the some proper explanation, and um, and also they're asking some achievements and related stuff.
Okay.
Then that's about the TR, and finally they're asking, do you have
So
any
this
question?
is okay. This is all happened in tier round, right?
Yes, these are the TR because they're given the 45 minutes of the duration.
Okay. So like what? Like suppose they are asking only the questions that you mentioned the resume, or like they are asking out of resume questions.
No, only resume. Resume is our question paper in the exam, and also asking the two coding questions.
Okay.
One is the
Okay.
prime number program with the specified range. Another one is the
Okay.
maximum element in the array. These are the two coding questions asking at the end. I am unable to give the proper explanation.
The process is in online, right? So
yes, so all are the virtual only.
yeah, but how you like so if they ask to write coding questions, like how they saw your code, like how it's happened?
Just they're asking the share the screen the Microsoft Teams.
Okay. Acha, okay.
On the local compiler or the online compiler, they're asking and give the some input to the particular coding question. If you all the test case expected output will get, they go to another question. Finally, they're asking, do you have any questions about the exam?
Yeah.
I asked some questions and he gave us proper explanation. Within 1 to 2 days, I got the exam HR round.
Okay.
I can explain the HR round in detail explanation.
Yeah, you can explain about HR and how it's done.
Actually, HR round is totally involved with the our 2 years of bond, because exam asking the 2 year service bond and asking the relocation to Chennai, because whenever applying the exam on that particular application, having the vacancies available in the Chennai location only, so that they're asking about the first they're asking about the service bond and relocate to Chennai. These are the major questions. The remaining all are the some HR question. Why should Exaware, and why should I hire you, and what you know about the Exaware, what are the services provided by the Exaware, and what are the competitors of the Exaware, like that.
Yeah, so these are the main questions like HR. Like if you go for any company, so they are going to ask first, like so what do you know about their company, because you are going to work in their company. So if you don't know anything about their company, so it is like disrespect to their company. And so this is the main thing. The candidates who are going to any company, first they have to know about their company services they are providing. And so some silly question, maybe it's silly question, like they are going to ask like CEO, who is the CEO of the company. So it may be silly, but this will be serious at the interview process. So candidates has to be focused on these questions also at HR.
Yes.
So like what is the role and package that you got offered from Exaware?
I got the graduate engineer training with 3.5 LPA.
Yeah, okay, that's so for this written test process or interview process, so what is the resources that you prefer to get prepared for these rounds?
Actually, the communication test from the Metal platform, but I refer from some YouTube channels and your YouTube channel also. I got some resources when preparing the communication test. They're mostly checking our communication skills and the reading, writing, and listening grammar skills. So it is not much hard. It is a moderate level. You can easily crack the communication test. After communication test, what is the TR and HR. these are also moderate level, not much hard as compared to other companies. But they're checking our confidence levels while answering the questions.
Yeah,
In
and
our
one more
given
thing is like the candidate must not fake their resume. So what they're confident about themselves, that has to be mentioned in the resume. So because the interview process will be entirely depends on your resume. So the questions and everything will come from your resume. So that is the main thing in the interview process, right?
yes, yes. Because in the exam is our question paper will be the resume only.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So what is your role, like what you want to suggest for the juniors, like suppose your juniors are the candidates who are going to apply for Exaware or any software company. So what is the suggestions from your side to their candidates?
Just no suggestion. Lend your resources from the internet and practice more. That's it.
Yeah, practice is the main key to get achieved, right?
Yes.
Okay, then. Thank you, Kodeswara. So thank you for sharing your interview experience at Exaware, and all the best for your future career at Exaware or any company that you're going to choose. So this is about the interview experience from Kodeswara regarding Exaware company. So keep watching our YouTube channel. We are going to posting all videos regarding interview experience or placements regarding. So entire placement assistance from our YouTube channel you will get, and click the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. So anything from Kodeswara? So do you want to share anything?
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot for the Take My YouTube channel under Ramana Bro, because I got the lot of resources from your YouTube channel only and also some other resources. Thanks a lot, Take My
Yeah.
High channel.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Kodeswara. Bye. Okay.